Module Overview. This module introduces you to the fundamental legal structures, philosophies, institutions, and principles that underpin the regulation of agribusiness. The aim is to develop a firm understanding of how different legal systems function, how laws are created and enforced, and how these systems shape the business of agriculture. Since agribusiness operates at the intersection of commerce, environmental management, food safety, land tenure, and labor, understanding the foundational legal systems is critical to making informed decisions, ensuring compliance, avoiding liabilities, and engaging in productive advocacy. Agricultural enterprises often span multiple legal domains: customary law, statutory frameworks, administrative regulations, and even international legal regimes. Therefore, agribusiness professionals must possess a holistic and integrated understanding of legal systems to thrive in today's highly regulated and globalized agricultural economy. Definition and functions of law in agribusiness. What is law? Sources of law: constitutional law, foundation of all legal authority; statutory law, legislations passed by Parliament or national assemblies, e.g., Land Use Act, environmental protection laws; common law, judge-made law developed from court decisions; administrative law, rules by regulatory agencies, e.g., food safety commissions, agricultural boards; customary law, traditional practices recognized by the state religious law; Sharia or canon law, where applicable international law, treaties, conventions, and protocols, e.g., WTO agreements, Codex Alimentarius. Types of legal systems: religious law systems based on faith derived doctrines; legal pluralism and its role in agribusiness; coexistence of multiple legal systems within a country, how legal pluralism affects land ownership, contract enforcement, and dispute resolution in rural settings; lawmaking and interpretation. Legislative process, how agricultural laws are drafted, debated, and enacted; role of the executive in issuing regulations and executive orders; judiciary's role in interpreting laws and resolving legal disputes; case law and precedents in shaping agricultural jurisprudence. Legal institutions in agribusiness regulation: judicial institutions, civil courts, customary courts, agricultural tribunals, regulatory bodies, ministries of agriculture, environment, food safety agencies, professional and industry associations, bar associations, cooperatives, farmer unions, international institutions, FAO, WTO, UNEP, IFAD. Legal capacity, rights, and obligations in agribusiness. Who can sue or be sued in agricultural transactions? Legal personality of agribusiness entities, cooperatives, companies, individuals; legal obligations, taxes, permits, compliance filings. Key takeaways: legal systems form the bedrock upon which agribusiness transactions occur. Understanding the sources and hierarchy of laws helps businesses remain compliant. In many agricultural contexts, customary and statutory laws coexist, sometimes harmoniously, sometimes in tension. Knowing the institutions responsible for enforcement and adjudication empowers agribusiness owners to engage with regulators effectively. Legal literacy is essential for every farmer, cooperative, or agribusiness entrepreneur aiming to operate responsibly, expand, or attract investment. Sample agribusiness application scenarios: a cocoa exporter navigating both statutory food safety laws and international labeling standards; a rice farmer negotiating a land lease governed by customary law while seeking statutory title to secure bank financing; a palm oil processor involved in a contractual dispute relying on both commercial and administrative law; an agro investor analyzing legal risks before acquiring farmland in a jurisdiction with plural land laws.